Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm done. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm like. Take a look inside.
Hey beautiful people, and welcome to another vlog. We just touched down in St. Lucia, so we are getting ready for the road. We're ready to party, have a good time, and of course I'm going to take you guys with me. If this is your first time watching my channel, I focus mainly on curvy girl fashion, lifestyle, beauty, travel, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So let's get into all the good vibes. We're at the airport waiting for our transportation. That's why I have my mask on. But once we get to our destination, I'll check back in with you guys. Okay guys, we just got here, so we're gonna check out the property. They're getting our room ready, I believe, and then we'll probably change and see what type of entertainment they have going on out here tonight. Oh shucks. You made it? Oh my God. This is our crib. So we're staying at the Hideaway Royalton St. Lucia. We have a nice little hot tub, double sinks. There we are. Then there's like a spa shower coming. Hold on, our bags are here.
All right, I'm finally here, ladies.
Welcome.
The elevator kept going up,
It kept going
down.
up and down,
yeah.
and all around.
All around. Okay.
The bathroom. It's a king size bed. There's the TV.
All right, ladies. So this is your complimentary minibar here. They restock it daily for you.
Thank you.
Also, you do have 24-hour room service included. So the menu is on the television. You use the remote right here, and you order through the television.
Okay.
All right. Your coffees and teas are here. Over here we have your closet. You do have a safe in the room.
Okay.
Operates with a 4-digit code. All right.
Okay. Okay.
So you just make up your own code. Your slippers here, steamer, robes.
Oh, steamer.
And we got a hair dryer over there.
Okay.
My hair drying, I'm through.
You know drying?
We not hair drying.
Oh yeah, not this trip, not this trip.
No.
The hair's air drying.
Just making it dry with the wind.
With the heat out there.
With the heat.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, ladies, have a fabulous stay with us.
Thank
We are
you,
celebrating
Jason.
Birthday.
Life. My birthday was last
That's
week.
the greatest thing. Well, yeah, well, celebrate your birthday. You know?
Yeah.
It's just gone, you know. So
It was just the other
yeah,
day.
man, there's lots to see and do. So explore the island, you know.
Okay, we
Come
will.
on.
We will. We're staying here. Here you go. Thank you.
Oh, appreciate
We're
it.
staying here for one day, and then we stay with some family, and then
Oh, you got family
we're
on
staying
the
one
island?
other place.
Okay, oh, nice.
Yeah, we're
What
trying
part-
to
what part
venture
of the
out.
island?
We don't know. Do you know?
The one
She
for
might know.
One for tomorrow is somewhere around here.
Close to her.
And then
We
the
have
rest of the
so
trip is in Marigot Bay.
Oh, Marigot Bay.
Yeah.
All right, nice.
So,
A vanity station.
Yeah, that's what we heard. But this is our first time, so
Enjoy the Northern part.
thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, enjoy.
Good, thanks.
That was a screen door. Lorraine, why did I just walk into the screen door? And then that is the view. So beautiful. It's hot and humid though, I will say that. Okay guys, so we made it into our room as you saw, and now it's time to shower, get ready for a nice little girls night. So we're gonna go ahead, take a shower. I'm gonna do my makeup, do my hair, put on a dress, and when you see me, I'll be all glammed up. Okay, this is the outfit. Hopefully you can see. So this dress is from Shein. The bracelets are from Shein. So are the earrings. My bag is Zara. I don't have that. And my shoes, I don't know if you can see our ASOS, but I'll be sure to put up a picture on the side so you see what the outfit is. So let's be out.
Know it gets better, even in the rain, you gotta keep your head up. I let her tell it, she said she fed up. I'm like whatever, when she mad the sex better. I put the diamond on your face, Rockefeller. You like games and kiss, that's where can you run darling, can you pictures, baby, will call me. Maybe I'm just demanding. Maybe I'm just like my bad. Put your hands up to the sun. Get my camera. Put your hands up to the sun. Put your hands up to the sun.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace.
Hey guys, it is the next day and we are by the pool and we're actually about to go jet skiing, so I hope that we can get some of it on camera. I jet skied once before, so this is my second time, but it's my cousin's first time, so let's get out there. We are going jet skiing. There is the Royalton Water Sports Center. There is the jet ski. Handling the payments. Tour guide. Water sports. We getting the logistics together, getting the paperwork together.
Release your anger, release your eye, release your job, release the time, release the trade, release the stress, release your love.
And then we had some lunch. We spent the day by the pool, and while my cousin was doing a photo shoot, I took a picture with this I Love St. Lucia sign. Then it was time to leave the resort. My cousin's wheel was hanging on by a thread by Hideaway Royalton St. Lucia. Now it's time to head to the local area. It started pouring out of nowhere, and we went to a family friend's restaurant for some authentic St. Lucian food. After all that good food, we definitely were tired, so we stayed with our family friend, and that was day 2 in St. Lucia.
Release your eye, release your job, release the time, release the trade, release the stress.
Surrounded by those streets.
Nice. And I think you could take like a ferry or a train or something to the local places, right? Like to go to France, Germany, and stuff.
Our public transport is really good. And you can train through Europe very easily.
Yeah.
If you want to go to Paris, we take a train.
Yeah.
And then from the train we take the metro, the subway. Easy. Don't take taxi or whatever. But even in New York, I must say we took the subway, the metro, and we walked a lot.
Watch the price. Whoa. So I didn't even check in with you because we were busy. So yesterday we stayed at our family's house. Last night, that's the last time I saw you guys, and now we are heading to our second hotel. but the driver was kind enough that he stopped at the grocery store, the supermarket, because this one is not all inclusive, so that we can get some groceries, so we have some things to eat for the next couple of days. And of course we'll stop at restaurants, and we're going to be doing some tours, I think like 1 or 2 tours. But we here in the grocery store. The prices in St. Lucia, they're very high for the groceries, so if you ever come to St. Lucia, then just know that there's some inflation going on here. But let's get our groceries, and then we're gonna get back in the car so that we can stop at the second hotel.
Pizzas and everything from the menu.
We have a white box in between. There is burgers to put on the big seat. Okay. And there's a basket at the bottom. And then if you're finished, just throw them in, because we wash everything in here. Okay. That area over there is common. You can go use it, whatever you like. You're downstairs, but if you like, this is our common balcony. You can always come sit up here.
Okay, cool.
In the evening, we do close the doors here for the bus.
Of course.
You can go around the... Okay. But we will take this way now to go down.
Better enough.
So we made it to hotel number 2. This is Marigot Bay Palms Resort. I'm gonna put it on the screen for you guys. But Marigot Bay Luxury Resort, something like that. So we have a full living space here. So it's a full kitchen. It has a stove top. There's a fridge, microwave, coffee maker. I believe that's a full oven too. And then we have our sink, cabinets, glassware. There's 2 seating areas. So there's one that I just showed you guys, and then there's this right here. And then this is our bedroom. I think this is a king size bed. They gave us some towels for the beach or the pool. Then we have a closet over here, and then you have the vanity and the walk-up for the bathroom. So again, there's kind of another vanity style area over here with the sink. Then we have a nice shower, the toilet, and that is the room. And then again, outside is the pool, and they let us know like where the restaurants are so that we can get to the restaurants, because I don't think that they're that close by. They can give us transportation. But that is the room tour. So we're gonna go ahead and settle in, and then I don't know if we're gonna make it a pool day or if we're gonna go down to check out the restaurants and see what we got going on. Tomorrow is Friday, so I'm pretty sure tomorrow that we're gonna go to the street party. We shall see. On the side of the pool area, there's another little like lounge and dining area. So beautiful. These views are breathtaking. It's a little dangerous though. There's nothing to stop you from falling down this very steep hill. You can see the bay is over there with the boats, and there's the pool.
My baby, my Valentine. Can I you make you my temperature difference? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body.
Hey beautiful people, so it has been a while since I checked in. Yesterday we went to that restaurant, and then we came back to our hotel and just chilled. And then today we were by the pool and it was raining all day. So now it is time for us to head out. We are going to grab some dinner from a restaurant that is across the street. And then after that, we are going to the street party. So there is a very popular street party that happens in St. Lucia on Fridays. So you know we're gonna go and see what the vibes are giving. My outfit is this jumpsuit from Fashion Nova. I'm gonna have some heels and a purse. I will put a little video on the side so you can see what the outfit was giving. And let's get ready for the road. So we made our way to the other side of town. I think the last time I spoke to you guys was before we left for dinner. So we went to dinner at a restaurant that's across the street from our luxury guest house. And we just had something quick and simple because we needed to be ready for the taxis. And the taxi has brought us to the other side of town. So right now we're at my family's restaurant. And then we are gonna get ready as a group because the group just got bigger. Some more people came from New York, and we're gonna get ready to head over to the street party. It's been raining on and off, so hopefully the rain just stays away. Let's get ready for the party.
Don't delay that, my love, why I been a shy guy all of my life. We should change that, pull out the Maybach and bend your lay back. Let's engage that, don't delay that. You're like a needle, life's a haystack. Friends they can leave, but you can stay back.
I could stay back, I could take that. Calm and lay back, on our way back. Make a movie, watch the playback. Nah, don't save that.
Pull out the Maybach and bend your lay back. Please obey that.
Hey guys, so it is the next day and we are by the beach by Marigot Bay. So I wanted you guys to see what it looks like. So it's kind of like a homemade or a man-made beach, and then you can go down to the actual waters, and then you can see the boats. This is right by what's the name of it? Doolittle Restaurant. So there is another side of the beach that has more beach chairs and looks more beach-like. I'll try to get a clip of that for you guys, but my battery is low. We're gonna go ahead and grab some food and chill on the beach, and I'm gonna do a recap once we get back to the hotel. I live in Connecticut. Hey beautiful people, so today is day 5 in St. Lucia, and today we're actually going to be doing an all-day tour. So it includes a catamaran, it includes a hike Also, I believe we're going to a bread factory. We're going to a beach. I believe maybe also some chocolate is involved as well. But of course, I will have all of the information on the screen of all of the things that we'll be doing. And right now, we're actually going to head over to the dock so that we can meet the boat and meet up with the rest of our party. We made our way to the docks, so now we just have to wait for our ride. Our boat has arrived.
You swim off the boat and you walk along the beach. Or we have an option B where we have a dinghy where we can put you in a dinghy and drive you over to the snorkeling area. If you haven't done it before, of course, we can teach you briefly how to use the snorkeling equipment. We have snorkeling vests. If you are a strong swimmer, you're gonna wear it. If you are not a strong swimmer, you're still gonna wear it. You don't have to inflate the snorkel vest, but this will help us to recognize you over everybody else.
Okay, we got off the boat and we're in Anne Chasney. There's a hotel here and we have 40 minutes. It's raining some, but the sun is out. So we're gonna go scuba diving and I'll be back. So when you do the scuba diving, you walk from this side over past the rocks, and then there's a path and there's a ladder so you can go down and you can scuba dive and you can see the fish. I saw a few fish at the very bottom, but it wasn't like very busy and like lots of fish. It was just a couple.
Feeling me, I could die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be on. You're loving me, totally me. I am so obsessed. Don't chop your body. Never did it, I can't see you. I'm gonna make I see you. You're my love, man, sexy. If you make a bad man sing,
We made it to the volcanoes and the mud baths, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the prices in case it's not included in your tour. Obviously you can just drive up here if you're renting a car and you're not on a tour, but I just want to share the prices with you guys. I think that they take cards here, but once you come off the boat at Soufriere, however you say that, I'm sorry if I said it wrong, you have to pay a tax and it's either $2 or $3. One person said $2, another person said $3, and that's US dollars, and it's cash only. Okay, we have the mud baths. We're getting ready to go in, but I gotta put my camera down so we can actually get in the mud because we're not here for that long. Look at the temperature of the pool, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to the waterfall, and they said it's $3 US, so it's $3 to go to the waterfall. Oh, yeah. That's Sugar Beach over here. And these people are getting married over here. Right over there. Right there. I think they just finished. I hear everybody cheering.
So we just try to practice safety and be supportive. This is how you guys go. So each of you guys will just execute. Alright? Also we have complimentary drinks from this American style. If you guys want to try this.
us off at the beach. This is a Rosa Beach. This is behind the beach. It is our last day here in St. Lucia, so I got up early just so that we could watch the sunrise. It is so, so beautiful. Hey guys, it is our final day here in St. Lucia. We've already packed our bags. It's time to head home back to the US, back to regular day life. We had an amazing trip. I would love to come back again. So hopefully we can. I hope you enjoy